If you are a RenerGen shareholder, this is extremely important. First of all, RenerGen is listed both on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, the JSE, and the ASX in Australia. For this, we'll look at the JSE share price. Just in 2021 alone, year to date, the share price has increased by 210%. In the last 6 months, it's up 74%. In the last month alone, it is up 90%. In the last 5 days, it is up 44%. 44% in 5 days. These returns are crazy. You don't usually see this at all. The valuation of ReneGen is now around 5 billion rand. So it's important to note the following. First of all, ReneGen is still in the early days. If you are investing in ReneGen now, you are investing in what it will be in the future. Obviously, they have already proved a lot of traction, if you want to call it that, but a few other things. They've found amazing helium sources or resources. They've been innovative in everything that they've been doing. And the reason why the share price has increased, well, let's say the year, is because there's a lot of hype regarding the helium findings and the highly concentrated helium findings of ReneGen. But also ReneGen is in the helium industry, and helium is extremely important for human survival and everything that we do, whether it's in the medical machines, or whether it's in the rockets, or whether it's in the party balloons. Helium is important, and they are finding really, really big breakthroughs. And that's also why the share price increased so much in the last 5 days. So they found a big increase in their, this is specifically related to their Virginia gas project, where they found massive returns in their helium reserves, which is up 620%, and their methane reserves, which is up 427%. Now, there's a lot of things going on at ReneGen. You can have a look at the 2 interviews that we had with their CEO, Stefano Marani, where he takes us through various prospects and outlooks for ReneGen and more details, including the crypto helium coin or the spot market for helium. But the bottom line is there's a lot of innovation going on in ReneGen, and there's a lot of things happening at once, and they are very busy in the media as well. If you are investing in ReneGen, you are investing for the long term and the long vision. That's why this video is so important, because you must know that the share price will not only go up. We've seen an incredible increase the last 5 days, the last month, the last 6 months, the last year. So it is important to note that there will be pullbacks as well. There will be potentially 50% pullbacks as the share price catches up to the business as time goes on. It could go higher, but just know that pullbacks can happen, and pullbacks are healthy for a share price. If we look at Tesla, for example, which is also this exciting company industry making new breakthroughs, the share price of Tesla has gone up, then it pulled back around like 30%, then it went back up, pulled down, back up. But over time, if you look, it's just an upwards curve if you believe in that business. Look, ReneGen is by no means just a safe investment. There are obviously risks involved with ReneGen, and that you should know. But if you believe in the ReneGen long-term vision and what they can accomplish over the next few years and maybe even decades, then you must just be able to sit when these pullbacks happen and not get emotional about it. So just be warned that pullbacks is almost certain to happen. This is not financial advice, but just if you look at history and share prices just going rockets to the moon, just expect some pullbacks, and that would be healthy for the business. If you are a long-term believer in ReneGen, consider dollar cost average. Well, that is what I'm doing. My personal ReneGen average cost price is around 22 Rand a share. So it's almost double already for me, but I will certainly not sell unless the fundamentals change of why I bought ReneGen. And that is my belief in the helium industry and all of their findings, as well as the team. If it falls, let's say, to 25 Rand, back to 25 Rand a share, or to 30 Rand a share, I will look to accumulate more shares. That is my personal opinion. Let us know in the comments what you think of ReneGen. Is it a long-term hold or buy for you, or are you exiting at these positions? Let us know why. Always do your own due diligence with shares like these. Like I said, it is not a safe investment, but for something on the more high growth section and what it could be, I personally really like ReneGen. We've had various people on the FinMeUp platform that said that's one of their stock picks. You can go have a look at all of that. So the bottom line of this video is expect potential pullbacks, and that would be healthy for the share price because nothing in life just goes up and up and up forever. And continue to really look closely into the business and announcements to really track the fundamentals of the business and whether the management delivers on what they say they would deliver. So far, I'm confident in ReneGen. I do think it has been running a bit too hard, but there's been a lot of good news. So I'm holding closely onto my shares, and if it draws down, I look to add more shares. Let us know what you think. Thanks for watching. Consider liking and subscribing. Have a great day. Cheers.